In today's video, I'm going to explain to you why search volume does not matter, and all the people that are screaming at you saying you need 30,000 searches, 30,000 monthly searches per month, you need 50,000 monthly searches per month. All of that is nonsense. Just because a brand, just because a product type, just because a niche overall has X amount of search volume doesn't mean anything. Let me explain why. First, I want you to look at this graph right here. Long tail keywords. For example, if you were selling tomato plants, for example, the search volume of tomato plant is 12,100 average monthly searches, right? But when to plant tomatoes is 3,600. Tomato plants for sale, which is pretty warm, if you're selling tomato plants, of course, has 1,000. And then why are tomato plants turning yellow? That's even less. Now, this example is not the best for high ticket, but for example, if you're selling sofa, someone's up here would be sofa, someone down here would be red sofa, and then someone down here would be brand A red sofa, and then down here is brand A sofa model XYZ. So just because the search volume of sofa is a lot doesn't necessarily dictate the performance of the brand, because as you go down, the more long tail a keyword is, the more or higher the conversion rate is. Someone searching sofa brand A red XYZ is way more likely to convert than someone searching sofa. Even though sofa has a lot more people searching for it, the chance of you turning that traffic, people searching for sofa, which is a huge audience, is very unlikely to be profitable for you, especially if you have no organic traffic going on at all. So I want you to really just escape the mindset that search volume even matters. At the end of the day, your ads will only show up if you set up your ads correctly for bottom of the funnel traffic, which are people that are likely to convert. People that are not likely to convert, you're not going to be even spending your money on. So why does the search volume even matter? Because if you are spending money, it's going to targeted traffic. If you're not spending money, it means you are not. You're not wasting money on untargeted traffic. So just because a niche has 50,000 monthly search volume, just because a niche has 100,000 search volume, does not necessarily mean you will do better in one niche than the other because of long tail keywords. Hope you really understand this and just get it stuck in your mind. Here's another one. Dog food, 153,000. There's a lot more competitors. People are all fighting for this space. If I type in dog food, everyone and their moms are literally fighting for this keyword. They're trying to rank on top of each other because it has the most search volume. And obviously, sure, the first person, Chewy.com in this case, that is getting or is in first position, they're probably getting most of the traffic. It's just the same thing with these shopping ads right here. Just because they're getting most of the traffic does not mean it's likely to convert, because a term like dog food is very, very generic. You don't know, the person searching dog food could literally want this brand, that brand. You don't know. The real money is at the long tails. 70% of the internet traffic is long tails. Now, organic dog food, it's more filtered down. So if you're selling organic dog food, you would rather pay for a click for a term like this that has 4,500 searches versus this that has 153,000. The chances of someone searching organic dog food, which the CPCs could be higher, the audience is just way more likely to convert on your product or service than someone searching dog food. Then, I don't really like this example, but let's say someone searches Chewy dog food, and then I don't know if there's like a brand or not, maybe Blue Buffalo. Also, quick thing is, if you go onto Google search right here, all of these keywords that show up are exactly terms people are searching up. Google's not gonna auto-populate random terms that people never searched before. These are terms people have searched in the past. That's why they're showing up. So someone searching Chewy dog food Blue Buffalo, if you're a competitor that's not selling chewy dog food, Blue Buffalo, then you shouldn't be bidding on this term because you're really just wasting your money. Someone literally is telling you they want dog food from Chewy in the Blue Buffalo flavor. So just serve them that exact offer. Send them to the landing page, just like exactly how Chewy has done right here, of the Blue Buffalo. All the Blue Buffalo products should be on this landing page. You want to make the landing page, and the ad copy very, very targeted. When it's very targeted, you're going to get a high quality score. Your clicks are going to be cheaper long term, and that's how you absolutely dominate Google Ads. Okay, so with that being said, I just want to see what other people are searching or just talking about on Reddit. So I went onto a Reddit thread that says, when doing keyword research, how much search volume do you need to go for? So this is obviously referring to SEO, which is people are trying to create content around keywords, trying to rank them in Google, get those traffic, either for AdSense, either for sell service or product, basically to get traffic, and then they can monetize it however they want. But people are saying try to select keywords that have a minimum of 500 searches per month. And I don't agree with this. You know why? Because some keyword that has 500 searches per month, when you create content, now this goes into SEO, which if you're doing high ticket, you always should be doing SEO at some point in your journey. But if you have a store selling dog food, and then this random guy on Reddit tells you to write content for something that has minimum of 500 searches per month, this is wrong. Because even if the keyword has 100 or just 10 searches per month, and you write content for it, that content is not going to rank just for the keyword you write for or optimize for. A lot of times it will rank for hundreds, if not thousands of other keywords. It might not be position 1, but guaranteed you that it will rank for a lot of other keywords. So this just doesn't even go with just Google Ads. This goes into SEO as well. So if you're doing Google Ads, or you're getting into SEO, or you're getting into high ticket, please take search volume with a big grain of salt, because the long tails are what you should be going for. Nobody's really looking at it. Everyone's fighting for the search volume up here. Everyone's fighting for dog food. They're not fighting for Chewy dog food, Blue Buffalo. This is where the money's at. People, like, if you were a customer typing this in, what do you want? You want a Chewy dog food, Blue Buffalo. It's quite obvious, and you as the advertiser now can just serve the customer exactly what they search. It's not rocket science. This is why I love Google Ads. It's very logical. You just picture you as a customer. Boom, this is what you want. Then picture yourself as an advertiser. Give the customer exactly what they're looking for. And these principles directly apply when you're doing your ads. You're setting up your search text campaigns. Like, if someone is searching Chewy, you obviously don't know what type of Chewy product. So send them to a page just about all Chewy, because you don't know, you can't guess what product they want. Then if someone's searching Chewy dog food, send them to a collection of just dog food and just make that into an ad group. And then Chewy dog food Blue Buffalo, which was the one that we're looking at, send them to a page with all your Blue Buffalo. That's how you make your ads super targeted and dominate your competitors. All the big box retailers that are doing Google Ads are not doing this because it's quite frankly a lot of work. But if you are the person behind the ads that wants to make profit first, of course, then this is exactly what you want to do. So that's it for this video on why search volume is kind of BS and why it does not matter at the end of the day. I hope you guys took away value from this. If you want to join our free community on School that teaches you A to Z on how to start high ticket dropshipping, there's a link down below to join the free school course. As well as if you want to apply for coaching, work with me and my business partner Marcus one-on-one, there's also a link down below to apply for coaching. With that being said, I hope you guys took away value, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.